Hi, thank you for joining Crayola and Harper Kids for this read-along, draw-along. My name is Matthew Burgess, and I'll be reading a picture book I wrote, Fireworks, illustrated by Cátia Chien.
Hi, I'm Katya. Get your art supplies ready so you can draw fireworks with me as you listen to the story.
Fireworks. Words by Matthew Burgess. Pictures by Cátia Chien. In the summer, the sun rises between buildings on our block to greet us at breakfast. And it beats warmer and brighter when we venture out across steamy city sidewalks. By noon, it gets so hot, the fire hydrant springs a leak, and we do what all kids do. Woo! Wee! Woohoo! A walk to the bodega and through the park where we drop coins into the hat of the musician playing sax. Bubble cheeks blowing brassy blasts that make us onlookers dance. And in the thirsty afternoon, we watch the knife slice the great green watermelon into shining red wedges. Chins drip sweet drops, plit, plop, plit. As salsa music slips through wide open windows, bouncing feet to the beat, shuka shuka, shuka shuka, wah, wah, wah. Later, when the sun sneaks behind the tallest skyscraper, yellow squares appear. And here, in the kitchen, Grandma's cooking dinner in a pan, hiss, sizzle, snap. On this special summer night, we climb the rickety ladder, up, 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 to the silver tar rooftop, still soft from the day's sun, and we wait for the first pop! A comet streaking across the sky bursts into a flower of fire. The first. Then pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, one by one. Here they come. Swish, zing, tizzle ting, poof. Boom, 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 boom. Echoing again, again. Is it over? Wait! A lull before. Kaboom! 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 The finale. Shh, 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 shh. Fireworks shimmer over the city before fading into ghosts, and in the air, the sharp charcoal sniff of 1,000 matches extinguished. A breeze, a shiver, hands, hugs, we go down, 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 one step at a time, past neighbors' doors. And home again, where we put on pajamas, brush teeth fresh, and crawl between cool sheets. Ah, to be tucked in with summer on our skin, listening to the gentlest kaboom, kaboom. Kaboom. Within.
Thank you, everybody, for creating with me.
Fireworks is about those big, exciting moments and also the small, quiet kabooms within. Thank you all for joining us today. We hope you'll keep playing, keep creating, and always follow your heart.